Okay. Hi, my name's Layla, and today I'm going to attempt to install a towel rack in my bathroom. I watched a lot of videos on YouTube. Some were helpful, some were not. But I didn't see one woman doing it. So I wanted to attempt to do it by myself in my bathroom, and just try it, have fun with it, I guess. I live in an apartment that I rent, and the previous towel rack, whoever did it, did a really horrible job. There are two huge holes in the wall, and I'm not even going to deal with that right now because I don't know how to deal with that either. So I'm just going to try and put a towel rack above them so I can hang my towels and then hopefully hide the big holes in the wall. I'm kind of scared. I am kind of an artsy person, and my parents didn't teach me a lot of practical skills that I could take into my adulthood, so this is going to be new for me, and I am fully expecting I'm going to screw it up. However, I think I did come up with a good idea that wasn't on some of the other videos, that they give you when you buy a towel rack, or the towel rack I bought, on the back, and this was the cheapest towel rack at Kmart, had a measuring thing on the back, right? And the videos I watched said, to mark it. Well, I decided I'm gonna tape it up instead and then drill through the holes. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I thought it'd be easier for me than measuring it and trying to make sure that the things were even. And I also don't have one of those angly, eveny thingy tools. Yes, I'm calling it that. Deal with it. I do have a drill. Okay, so you can see there are two huge holes in the wall from whoever put this in here. I'm guessing it was my landlord. And he promised to fix it a year and a half ago. So I'm just going to do this myself. Or try. Because the worst thing happens, there'll just be more gaping holes in the wall. So I taped up the measuring thing. And it's got two holes here. And let's see how this goes. Ready? Hole number one. Okay, we got one hole. And there's two holes. Whoa. Okay, this tape isn't very good. Okay, now I'm going to do three holes. And four. Okay, so I'm going to take the little nice handy dealie they gave to me. Okay, and then they give you these to put in for the nails. I don't know the name of them. And what does it matter if I know the name of them or not? And then it says to hammer them in. I don't have a hammer. Or at least I can't find mine. So I am going to take the end of the drill. And I'm very bad at this. I'm probably not going to post this. I need a camera person. Does someone want to come be my camera person? Oh, anyway, I'm just going to use the end of my drill. There we go. There's one. Works just as well as a regular hammer. Two. And we These are all angles. I'm hiring a camera person next video, so I can pay you in peanut butter cookies or grilled cheese. Would be your payment on this. Okay, see those are in there. There, I got one more to do. Okay, and then it says to put this over I'm turning it over. I'm just kind of trying to hide these gapes in the wall. And there's my ceiling. I know you are all wondering what my ceiling looked like. That is what it looks like. And this is not the screwdriver I want. I thought I had the other screwdriver in here. I do. It's on the floor. Hold on. Okay. This is not the screwdriver I want either. We're just gonna go with it. And this is really fascinating, isn't it? So, next I'm gonna try and tackle my garbage disposal, which also has not worked since I moved in. And I have a leaky fridge that my landlord won't fix either. Just look at that. Oh, that's perfect. That was much easier. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear it. In the back are my parakeets going crazy because they hear the drill. This one's not going in as easy. I'm definitely not posting. I might show my boyfriend, but I don't think people lose like you because apparently I can't. Okay, you have to go in. Okay, it's not completely even. I'm hoping that won't affect the overall aesthetic, but only time will tell. And I really don't know how to do this camera shit, guys. Whoa, hi. Hello. Hi. Okay. Well, it's staying at this angle, I guess. And we're gonna try the second one here. Oh, no, you can kind of see. Okay, good. I think the trick with this drill is just push it. Ha-ha! Huzzah, huzzah. And I'm missing the first screw. Oh, that's just great. Oh, right here. Got it. Okay, so we got, I think they're called mounts on. I'm sorry if I sound really stupid because I don't really know what I'm doing. And I forgot the other part. So yeah, Okay, here comes the part where I didn't really understand in any of the videos, in the instructions. And it was how to get, so there's like this little screw. I said to put it on the bottom. It seems like a lot harder to do than on the top. So I'm gonna do it on the top because I don't really understand the benefit or reason of doing it on the bottom. And my screwdriver sucks. Alright, suck at screwdriving. That's what she said. Okay, so that one is up. I just did the little screw thing on the top there. And I'm going, I think, I'm just going to stick the rod in there. That's what she said as well. And then screw it on the top again. That's what she said too. Except that, oh, right. I was experimenting with it, so it was already screwed in, so I'm going to undo it. Okay, screw that in. And I'm going to unscrew it and make sure it's on there right now. There we go. And now I'm going to hang some lovely purple and white towels on it to hide the ugly open holes in the wall. So there you go. I'm a woman and I have kind of installed a towel rack by myself. Thank you very much. I hope you all remember to put down the toilet seat and clean your toilets. Bye.